Hello, I'm Shamin, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add wire for your crochet projects. In this tutorial, it might look like the wire is too big for your project, but I've taken this size so that I can stretch my work and make it more firm. Now all you can see me doing in this tutorial is making single crochet along with the wire. In case you do not want the wire to show through your project, try using the same color wire. You can even try to crochet in one space twice and in the next once using this alternative method 1 2 1 2 and complete your project, which would be more thick on the wire so that it will not be visible through the yarn. To make this project thicker, you can always use double yarn. I have used double yarn to make one of the car, which I will be showing you at the end of this tutorial. Now after making single crochet throughout, I started to make half double crochet to make it more thicker on the top portion over the window of the car. Now you just have to continue to make half double crochet until you come to the end of the wire covering the whole car. That's it. There's nothing too much about this, but holding the wire and the yarn in the right way would help you to work more effectively. You can add a magnet so that you can use it as a fridge sticker, or add a keychain so you can use it for your car. See how very cute this car turned out to be. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial with me. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more. And this is the one with double yarn, and this one for the fridge.